Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new academic session 2021 and 22. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know me, I am Madiha Imam, but this time I will teach you computer. Let us discuss some rules of class. Always be attentive, answer the exercises, always have fun while learning. Let's start our first topic. The first topic is, what is computer made of? A computer is made up of both hardware and software. Let us discuss about hardware. Hardware refers to the parts of a computer that you can touch or feel. Let's have a look some examples of hardware. CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, microphone. These are parts of computer and also examples of hardware. Now let's discuss about software. So, software refers to a set of programs or set of instructions given to a computer that performs some tasks in a computer. Let's have a look of examples of software: MS Windows, MS Office, Adobe Reader, Adobe Flash, Adobe Photoshop. Discuss more about this topic in my next video. Let's have a discuss about home task of week 1. Your task number 1 of week 1 is that you have to differentiate between hardware and software. And the second task of first week is that you have to draw or paste the pictures of hardware and software examples. Now let's discuss about week 2 home task. And your week 2 home task is that how many operating system of computer search from internet and write in your copy. Allah Hafiz.